Assalamualaikum students, it's me Miss Maryam, and today we will discuss about factors and multiples. Factors are whole numbers you multiply together, and multiples the product that we get when a number is multiplied by another number are called multiples of given number. Let's take an example of multiples. A frog is jumping 3 steps at a time. So, let's find the numbers on which frog will jump. The frog will first jump on number 3, then 6, then 9. Again it will take 3 steps and jump on number 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. So, these are the multiples of 3. Let's take another example. Write first 4 multiples of 5. So, these are 5, 10, 15 and 20. Find the first 5 even multiples of 7. To get the even multiples of odd number, multiply with even numbers, such as 7 into 2 equals to 14, 7 into 4 equals to 28 and so on. So the first 5 even multiples of 7 are 14, 28, 42, 56 and 70. Let's discuss what are factors. Factors are whole numbers you multiply together, such as 2 and 3 are the factors of 6. For finding factors, we can use our method. In this, look at here, 1 into 12, so we will get 12, 2 into 6, so we will get 12, and 3 into 4, so again we will get 12. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the factors of 12. Let's discuss home task. In home task, do book pages 27 to 33. Hope you understood all. Thank you.